Hey, hey, hey. What are today's messages and what do we need to see and hear today? Start off with some cards and see what we get today. Reach for the sky. Like a plant stretching towards the sky, aim high in your goals. Believe in your ability to reach new heights. You are special, so be special. Decide to specialize in something for your creative success. Loving others is easy when I love and accept myself. My heart is open. I allow my love to flow freely. I love myself, I love others, and others love me. Right action. A paragraph literally means let everything that wants to go, go, and everything that wants to come, come. Unconditional divine love. You are loved more than you will ever know. Sacred rest, retreat, balance, and restore. Meditation, contemplation, peace, and communication. Wonder, awe, transcendence, and reverence. Ancestors, guidance, protection, and lessons. Fierce, stand in your power. The portal, access to the infinite or infinite. Alrighty, what else do we need to see and hear? Let's pick an animal card today and see what we get. Sheep. Act with fortitude and cooperation. Archangels Gabriel and Hope. Alrighty, let's try this little envelope for our messages today. Lack of information causes generalizations. When was the last time you judged someone unfairly by jumping to conclusions? Curious now, wise later. Focus on your curiosity today. Deepen your learning around something you find meaningful. Love is a verb. Send someone love today. A hug, a compliment, a random act of kindness. What are 3 things that made you love today? Everything we hear is an opinion, not a fact. Everything we see is a perspective, not the truth. Live today with a light heart and a smile. What others say is not the end-all, be-all. Truth. And the last one today. There are only two ways to live your life. One is as though nothing is a miracle. The other is as though everything is a miracle. Go on a walk. Be grateful for the miracles around you. Alrighty, thanks for stopping by. Adios.